Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a silicone kitchen utensil set. So there's a lot of different utensils that's in here, but for all of them they are heat resistant up to like 446 degrees because it is like silicone material. So if you guys remember in the past I actually reviewed another one from this brand before, but for this set they give you guys a lot more stuff. So first thing, let me actually take out everything to show you guys what's included first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, you can see this is everything that's included inside. So they do provide you guys a little thank you card and user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it, and also how to maintain as well. Right here they provide you guys a little holder option for you to hold everything inside. You can see the way how they design the product is actually pretty cool, because the top part right here is silicone, bottom part is also silicone, but the middle part right here is actually stainless steel. So here is the first option provided for you guys. Here is the second one. Here is the third one. Here is number 4. Here is number 5. Here is number 6. Here is number 7. Here is number 8. Here is number 9. Here is number 10. Here is number 11. Here is number 12. Here is 13. And here is 14. And when you guys put everything inside right here, here is basically what the product looks like. So I do love the fact that how they provide guys a big cup holder for you to store everything inside right here. And I do love the way how they design it as well, because for the bottom part right here, they do give you guys an option to hang it somewhere to keep it organized, or you can put it inside the cup holder as well. And because the material that you use on here is silicone material, it is heat resistant. So regardless if you guys leave this part or this part onto the pot, it is completely fine. Not like the one that I reviewed in the past where this part right here is wooden. For the one that's wooden, that one right here, you guys should not leave it onto the actual pot, because if you guys do, it will leave a burn mark, where for this one it will not. And because the material on here is silicone, when you guys grip it or feel it, it won't feel hot. It basically works really well wherever you guys are. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did the unboxing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this set, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality silicone kitchen utensil set that give you guys everything that's included right here, and also had a similar design and same material that's on here as well, that's heat resistant, non-slip, and water resistant because of the material. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.